Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant error code 62. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, click here, type cmd, right click on it, run as administrator, click yes, and now type here ipconfig slash flush dns, enter, and then type net show windsock reset. And now your problem must be fixed, but you will need to restart your PC. So just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the last step. Type here control panel, or you can just type Windows Defender Firewall, and click this one, Windows Defender Firewall, and then click turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and turn off those two options here. And don't worry, you can turn it on whenever you want. And when you finish playing, just come back here and turn it off, turn it on again, and that's it. So just click OK and go back, and your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.